Hello, today we are going to be making marionettes. We love Eric Carle's Hungry Hungry Caterpillar, so we are going to be making a caterpillar marionette. So what we're going to do is we're going to arrange our pom-poms, and they're about 2 to 3 inch pom-poms, and we have got a plastic needle and we have strung it with some yarn, and we're going to string it up. Leave a little space in between, and you can go back and put them together and make them fit better, because you want this marionette to flow freely. Now you want to figure out where you want your marionette string to hang from, and it's best if you hang the first one from the head, and that way you can control it. So we're going to take our plastic needle and we're going to cut some yarn about 12 inches, double that, so that's about 24 inches altogether. That way you've got some extra room to cut off. It's better to have too much than not enough. So we're going to make a really good knot and tie a couple of those in, and that way it doesn't pull through. Now we're going to tie the string into the holes that we have drilled into the popsicle sticks. Sometimes the needle won't go through, so you have to kind of wiggle it and then turn it over on the other side and pull it straight through. Now we're not going to tie it off in a knot just yet, but we're going to pull it through, and we're going to figure out where's the best place for the next one, and we want to go about middle ways. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with the head, and we are going to cut it about 12 inches, double it, that'll be 24 inches, tie our knots multiple times, same place, there we go. And we are going to put it about midway. So there's the head, and the big blue pom-pom is about our middle way. So we're going to measure it again. There we go. There's the blue one. So we're going to stick it through. Sometimes it goes in real easy. Sometimes you have to do a little wiggle room. Okay, as we add both strings to the popsicle stick, you need to play around with it and see if you need to move any of the pom-poms closer together or remove any of them if it's too long, and you're going to tie that final string once you get done here. So play around with it for a few minutes and see how it moves. Okay, now that you've got everything tied off, we're going to add some googly eyes to it. So we're going to use our glue dots, and we're going to put them on the back of our googly eyes, and we're going to press one on. Sometimes you can fit it right over that knot and it will hide it. So try your other one and put it on the other side, and this gives it a little bit of a personality now. And every caterpillar needs an antenna, and so we're going to take a pipe cleaner and we're going to measure how much we need, and it looks like we want about 2 inches. We double that and it'll be 4 inches altogether. We're going to bend it, there we go, and we're going to put a glue dot on it to hold it down, and we're going to go all the way down into its brain, as far down as we can, and we're going to take this glue dot and stick it onto the antenna. Okay, now that you've got the antennas on, we're going to tie the strings off and figure out exactly where we want them. We can take the extra string, instead of cutting it off, we can just wrap it around the popsicle stick, and that way we can make the middle part shorter and the head longer, or you can wrap it and make it vice versa. So play around with it and enjoy.